Why some people are employees, why some people are doctors, why some people are business owners, and why some people are homeless. There's such a huge difference between those people, and I truly believe that one of the biggest difference between those people are decision making, because everyone needs to choose their path. And of course, how you choose a path and what kind of path you choose determines your end point. Because when you think about becoming a doctor, it's not that you wake up one day and you say, "Oh, I'm a doctor." No, you need to make a decision, make a choice. You need to register for a school to get accepted in a school, and then pursue for years and years to become a doctor. So that means you need to make a decision. First step is make a decision and then act on it. Because decision making is not everything, but is a huge step forward. Because a lot of times people don't make that decision in the first place. Now, when you think about decision making, because we understand that the decision making is very, very important because it's the first step to move to a good direction. So we need to understand that decision making is a muscle. Like any kind of muscles could be built. So when you go to a gym to build a muscle to become a stronger, that exactly you can do with your decision making muscle. So how you build your decision making muscle? So first step is to understand that you need to be very, very curious about yourself. So that means you become self-aware, understand what kind of values you have, what kind of beliefs you have. And now when you know those things, you make a decision, act, learn, reflect, and then make decision again. So now act, learn, reflect, and make a decision again. And of course, those decisions must be about your future. That means that decision that could potentially impact your future and you become better and better. Because if you don't make decisions, exactly the same with muscles. If you don't go to gym, your muscles will deteriorate and will become slower. So exactly the same with decisions. A lot of times people choose to stay in the same position for 5 years. You did not make any decisions regarding their future. And after 5 years, of course, it's very difficult to change life because you didn't build your decision-making skill set. So now when I think about decision making, is not every decision builds your decision making skill. Of course, what kind of t-shirt you will wear that day doesn't build your skill set. If you choose what kind of food you will eat that day, doesn't build your skill set. So that means that don't waste your time on small decisions because everyone has limited capacity for decision making. So it's better to use your decision making capacity for decisions that could potentially impact your life. So when I think about decision making, it's a huge, huge topic. So next couple of days, I will share more about how to separate good and bad decisions and how to move forward.